So it seems Nokia will be releasing two rugged phones very soon. Wow, this is this is the rare of one of the rugged phones. I don't know, but look at this design, guys. Um, I think it has some sort of a case attached to it, but yeah, it is definitely a rugged phone, guys. Look at this, man. Let's see if we could get the front of the phone. So it's going to be called the Nokia. Okay, one of the devices will be called the Nokia HHRA501X, and the other will be called the Nokia IS540.1. Wow, weird names. So yeah, two new rugged phones born from a partnership between Nokia and German company I.Safe Mobile GmbH. So these phones are classified as X. So they are both undergone rigorous testing and gained approval to meet the connectivity standards for industries such as oil, gas, mining, and chemicals. Wow. So this is the front. As you can see, it has the classic 16:9 display with really thick bezels, guys. So this is the specs of the Nokia IS540.1. So the phone is expected to have a 6-inch screen with Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It is powered by the Qualcomm QCM6490 chip, a dual-core beast that offers performance similar to the Snapdragon 778. I haven't heard of that processor before. I'll probably check it out. With 8GB RAM and 128GB onboard storage. The device would feature a 48MP rear camera and a 5MP front-facing camera for selfies and video calls. So the battery capacity is going to be 4400 mAh, and it's going to be a removable battery. That's very nice. So these are the new details of these rugged phones. These specs is the specs of the Nokia IS540. The other device, which is the Nokia HHRA501X, are not mentioned here. Anyway, once I get more details about these rugged phones, I'll share with you guys. But what do you guys think? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below.